So let's say that there's somebody who's out there right now listening and they're like, yeah, I like this idea. This is what I've been looking for. How should they go about gauging whether or not this business could be successful in their particular area of the country? What should they be looking at?
Competition. I kind of look around for, who needs your services. What type of crops, and even doing other crops. We talk about food deserts. When we read news articles and stuff about people not having access to food, I kind of look for places, where there's not a lot of big towns around, where guys have to haul something, half an hour or more to town, and try and make contacts in those areas. I've found little pockets like that where, we're getting to points in Kansas now where a lot of our small towns are going away and our elevators are merging, and guys are kind of stranded. So I've found a couple places now where I have 2 or 3 customers in one spot,